Welcome to another video, and today we are gonna make a comic book cover. So the comic book cover we are gonna make today is Captain America. I was inspired by these kind of comics and now I wanna make him into a realistic version. I wanna make the comic book cover with assets from the movie. Thank you all guys for liking and subscribing from the last video. It did way better than I was expecting. So if you wanna help me, subscribe, leave a like, maybe a comment if you want, and help me reach the first milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Alright, with that being said, we move on to the video.